How to disable Play Store auto update over mobile data. So first of all, launch Google Play Store on your mobile devices. Now, from here, go ahead and tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner. Now, once you come here, scroll down below. Go ahead and tap on Settings. Now, from here, go ahead and tap on Network Preferences. Now, simply tap on Auto Update Apps. Now, from here, in order to disable Auto Update Apps over mobile data, simply tap on the option of Update over Wi-Fi only or Don't Auto Update Apps. You can choose any of these options. I'm going to choose on Update over Wi-Fi only so that next time the apps from Play Store won't be auto-updated on mobile data. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.